Hello trader, if you want to get a secret of how to follow signals when it's being posted to you, I want to stay to the very end of this video so that you get that secret and you don't miss out. Okay, thank you.
Hello traders, it's your one and only forex skill coach Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys here today on this awesome training, because in this video today you're gonna learn how to catch spikes and trade long in the boom and crash markets. You know how we do it here. We keep winning, whether the trade is bullish, whether the trade is bearish, we keep winning. That's why we are the bullish bears. Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out whenever I post an awesome strategy to win in the boom and crash markets. I also post strategies to win in the VIX markets. Alright, so you don't want to miss anything here. Okay, so hit the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell, very important, so that you don't miss it out whenever I post it. If you've done that, thank you very much. And the next thing you want to do right now is to go straight to the description below and click the Telegram link and join my Telegram channel. As you can see, currently we are 834 in number, gradually increasing. Last week we were 700 points something, so but now we are 834, increasing because a lot of people are seeing the benefit of being here. All right, this strategy I'm creating right now, I've already given them an alert that a strategy is coming up, and everyone is expecting it. You can see the amount of people expecting this strategy. So you get to be notified even right in my channel whenever I want to do anything. Alright, this was a VIP signal I gave to my VIP today, and as you can see, this was $494 made in profit today. Alright, I also gave this signal to traders here. Alright, when I gave this signal, I asked them, are you on the trade? 13 votes yes, 15 votes no. Probably people that are scared to trade. Alright, I'm gonna give you a little secret today. Okay, just make sure you stay to the end of this video. I'm gonna give you a little secret of how to follow signals so that you don't trade, so that when you trade without fear. Alright, if you want to understand that, make sure you stay to the end of this video, because at any time I'm gonna give out that secret. All right, I could give it at the middle of the video, I could give it at the end of the video. So just do yourself a good favor and stay to the very end of this video so that you get that secret, because it's a secret that nobody tells you. It's a secret you hardly get. This is a secret that you only get from maybe if you're in a VIP, or if you have subscribed to someone, if you have paid to become a student in someone's academy. That's where they tell you that secret. But I'm gonna expose that secret to you guys in this video right now. How to follow signals whenever you are given a signal, how to follow it so that you don't lose. Okay, because I've got to notice that whenever I give signals, I notice that there are people who have just a $10 account. There are people who are trying to see how to boost their $8 or even $5 accounts, and if I give a signal and give them the stop loss might be higher than their accounts, and at the end of the day you just find out that when the stop loss, at the end of the day you just find out that before the trade even gets to the stop loss, the account has been blown. So to prevent that, I'm gonna give you a little secret on how you can follow signals without losing a dime. If you want to get that information, stay to the end of this video. Okay, so make sure you join this channel right now. Okay, join my Telegram channel so that you don't miss out a thing. Okay, you can see over here too, I give analysis. This is an analysis I give traders concerning boom 1000. Okay, so you don't want to miss out a dime. So let's get to the why we are here. Now this is a very simple strategy. Okay, it's a strategy that everybody know. Get to oversold and buy, get to overbought and sell. Okay, but now you just have to follow some strict rules in it, because there are several indicators, okay, that have different functions here. Okay, So So the number one thing you want to observe is we have 5 indicators here. All right, we have the moving average, we have the relative strength index, we have the envelopes, we have the alligator. Okay, so if you get to observe, you notice that the moving averages and the alligator all got to the 8.40 level of this RSI, touching the envelopes. The envelope is the red line you see here. Okay, touching the envelopes. Okay, so since the three moving lines touch the envelopes, all right, you get to notice that the spikes taking the trade up to the overbought level. Okay, now another thing you get to observe is that when the red line touches the envelope at 90.50 and the light blue does the same thing, okay, and then the green line does the same thing. When the green line touches this level and the trade is coming down, there is a tendency that this trade will be very, very long. Very long. Why is it very long? Because the green moving average has also touched the envelope and is coming down. So the green line gives you a signal that the trade is gonna go very long. So therefore, you can trade confidently and make quite a lot of candlesticks from this trade. Okay, let's take a back test on it. Okay, let's take a quick back test. Now you get to observe that whenever you move your chart forward, all the moving lines go down. You see, they all come down. When you move it back, you see them going back up, and this is what confuses most traders. Okay, so to prevent that kind of thing from happening, what I advise my traders always to do is, when the moving line gets to that certain overbought level, allow it to curve downward. Okay, allow it to do what? Curve downward. Probably you can even wait for it to cross 80.00, so that at that time you are sure that this market is ready to do what? To go down. Because when it's touching this level, okay, when it's still touching the 90.50 level, it doesn't prove to you whether it's ready to come down. It might still keep going up. All right, and so that's why you get to notice that when you move it forward, you get to see all the false movements here. So to prevent it from happening, allow it to do its thing, touch the overbought level and curve downward to prove to you that, okay, I'm ready to go down. The same thing happens when it gets to selling. Okay, you get to see none of the line touches the envelope again, and when you move it this way, you get to notice it touched the envelope. Okay, so you need to be careful while trading. All right, all these things are things that you need to take proper care of. Now take a look at this. As I said, the two moving average, the alligator and the red moving average, you can see here, touched the envelope 90.50 level, and then the green one came also and touched at this level and started coming down to prove a very long sell. It also happens in crash 1000. Okay, so I wanted to take a lot of back tests so you be sure of it. Bring it forward. Okay, so here you can notice the two lines touch the envelope, and then this one, the green one, is just busy lagging behind. Okay, it's lagging behind, and then the trade was also long. Okay, so now this is the rule. Okay, when the red line touches the envelope and the blue line touches the envelope, make sure that you allow the green line to at least cross this 80 level. The green line, make sure it crosses at least the 80 level. Okay, before you know that it has before you can start thinking of how to place a sell. Okay, make sure it crosses it, because if it doesn't cross it, it means the trade hasn't still completed its overbought. Okay, so you got to be careful about that. Now you can see what happened here again. When the green line touched the envelope, how did this trade go? It went very, very, very long. Okay, trader, that's exactly how the strategy works. Okay, so just make sure you allow you follow the rules. Okay, make sure you follow the rules. Make sure you follow the rules. Okay, so I'll give you the settings right now. I don't want to go on a live trade because already today I made a whole lot of money, and I don't break my rules. My rule is that whenever I make at least $200 plus, I stay off the trade for that day. Okay, and today, like I showed you guys, today I made $490 something. You can see here. So I don't want to trade again because that's gonna be nothing else but greed. Alright, so I cannot trade again. You see, the trade is still going long. It's still going long. Alright, so here's the settings. Okay, before I give you the settings, now let me give you the secret I want to give you. Okay, now whenever you are in anyone's channel or in anyone's Telegram channel, okay, be it VIP or be it the free, okay, and then they give you a signal, okay, and they give you a signal telling you buy so or sell. All right, be it currency pair or be it VIX. Okay, I don't know what to say about boom and crash, because I know boom and crash, mostly you hear people tell you buy so you catch a spike, or sell because so you catch a spike. All right, what I'm about to tell you right now, if you try to apply it to boom and crash, you could miss out some spikes. Okay, you can miss out some spikes you ought to catch and make money. So I don't advise you for boom and crash. I'm advising you for VIX and for currency pairs. Okay, so now this is the secret. Whenever someone tells you buy, let's say euro dollar, okay, buy euro dollar, what I advise you do is don't just go straight to your MT5 and hop straight into your real account and buy euro dollar. Okay, what you want to do is to use your demo account. All right, when you go to your demo account, you search for the euro dollar and click on buy. Then you observe that trade. All right, because why? Whenever a trade whenever a signal is posted or whenever a trade is being made, okay, there will always be some few pullback. All right, so imagine if this was a buying opportunity. All right, and then someone giving you signal tells you, okay, buy euro dollar, okay, at this junction, okay, and then he says buy euro dollar. Wait, I need a typical example to do this well so that you get to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, now let's say the market was at this junction and the signal said buy euro dollar. Okay, now if you place a buy immediately at this junction when you got the signal to buy, you get to notice this. Okay, you get to notice this and you'll be like, oh shit, I'm running a loss. Okay, and then suddenly what happens? You see the market moving the direction that the signal person gave you the signal. All right, now and then at that time you must have been a loss, or at that time you must have even blown your little accounts before the trade started going your way. So what I advise you do is when they tell you buy so, all right, buy this or buy that or sell this or sell that, what you want to do is go straight to your demo account first and place that trade. If they said buy euro dollar, you go straight to your demo account and place buy. Then you watch the markets. What is the market doing at that time? The market could be consolidating for a little while before the market begins to move that way, buy or sell. Okay, the market could decide to pull back for a little while. All right, and then begin to go your way. So what you want to do is you stay on that demo account and keep observing what the market is doing. So once you notice that the market has started going your way on your demo account, you see your profits in blue, right? Is you see yourself making profits with your demo account, at least $1, $2, $3, depending on the lot size you open. Okay, Once you notice that the market is beginning to go your way, you can then go to your real account and do what? Place the buy position. Okay, you place the buy position. Now, why am I telling you this? I get to notice that whenever I post signals, some traders who have little accounts and because they believe that, man, this Team Legend is a real trader and is giving real signals, and then they just hop straight into the signal that I give with their little accounts. And then when a little pullback happens like this, okay, when a little pullback happens like this, they get to blow up their little accounts, and then the market begins to go according to the signal, and they'll be like, oh shit, what happened here? So I don't want you to fall victim of that again. So that's why I'm giving you this secret right now. Alright, so whenever you get a signal, don't just buy immediately or sell immediately. You do your own observation. Okay, you go to your demo account, place that signal, and do your own observation. When you notice that that demo account is beginning to run in profit, then you can confidently go to your real account and do the same thing. Okay, then another thing you want to know is that while you're making profits, always lock your profits. Okay, I'll give you a typical example of what you should do. If you imagine you made a buy here, all right, imagine you made a buy here, and then the trade begins to go your way. All right, go your way all the way to here, and then you want to lock your profit. I noticed some traders, when I tell them lock your profit with stop loss, they go ahead and lock the profit here. When the market is at this junction, when the price is at this junction, they lock their profit as little as this, giving the market just a little breathing space. And then you get to notice that when the market decides to retrace back a little while so as to continue its movement, it stops them off prematurely when there's still more opportunities to buy. Okay, so whenever I tell you lock your profit with stop loss, I don't mean you should just go to the amount of the price and lock your profit because you don't want to make loss. No, as long as you've made quite a lot of profit all the way from here, trader, it doesn't take you anything to lose little here. Okay, that's why I always advise, I say it's better you make $1 than you make nothing or than you lose. Okay, so that means if you've made at least $1 and you want to lock your profit, no problem, you can lock it, but just make sure you don't lock it in such a way that when the market wants to move back a bit, it stops you out prematurely when there's still opportunity. Because I get to notice a lot of people keep asking me, hey team, can I enter again? My stop loss have been hit, can I enter again? I'm not gonna give you answers to that anymore. That's why I'm telling you this right now. Okay, if you come to my DM telling me, hey team, my stop loss was just hitting profit with my profit, I've taken my profit, can I enter again? I'm not going to respond to you. So I'm telling you right now that if you want to lock your profit, don't lock your profit at the amount of the trade price. Take your profit down, take your stop loss down a bit and lock it there. Okay, that's what you should observe. Okay, so now let's go straight to the settings of this strategy that I just gave you. Now the setting is relative strength index. We have 13, close 1 pixel, the color of your background so it doesn't show over there, and then you have 8.4, 20, 80, 90.5, 0. Okay, you can even remove the 0, it's not that relevant here. Okay, so this is just what we have. Then you click down. Then the next thing you want to add is your envelopes. 30, 0, 2.380, smoothed, close, red. Okay, you can put whichever color you want to put. Then levels, you can just leave it at default 1, 2, 3. Okay, you click on done. The next thing you want to add is your first moving average 11, shift -1, exponential, close, red. You click done. The next thing you want to add is the second moving average 51, 0, smoothed, close, 4 pixel, green. You click done. Lastly, you want to add your alligator 13, 88, 553, and then smoothed, medium price, high level /2. Then make the jaw star white the teeth star. Why? Because you don't want to see in the background. Then leaf star, you put whichever color you desire, then you hit done, and then your setting is up. Okay, so I hope this strategy works for you. Make sure you trade it on your demo account. Okay, and if it's working for you, it's working for us all, so we keep winning, trader. Don't forget to leave a comment below. If you have any question, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I love you all. Let's keep winning.